How to use secret conversations on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can use secret conversations on Facebook Messenger. Now you can do this for multiple purposes, such as your privacy, if you want to do some private talk and something similar. So to do this, you'll first need to head over to your Messenger. Locate your Messenger app and then open it up. Make sure that the app is up to date to its latest version. Make sure that the app that you're using is up to date to the latest version. After you open up your Facebook Messenger, you can then head over to any chat that you want. After you're on the chat, you'll then need to tap on the profile picture at the top. So after you're here, you can then scroll down and then you'll find an option that says disappearing messages. Tap on it and tap on continue. Now before that, you can read what this does. So there you can see the messages disappear for everyone after a certain time is set after a certain time, and you can set the time for that as well. And also you'll get notified whenever any screenshot is taken of the chat, and then the messages can still be reported. And also keep in mind that this is an end-to-end encrypted chat, so it's completely safe. Tap on continue. And from here, you can choose the time limit. So let's say 24 hours. And after you do that, you can head back. And you've basically opened up a disappearing chat or a secret conversation. And that's how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and then bye bye. Take care.